What's going on, guys? I'm the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I'm going to be breaking down the day trade that I took today that I was able to make $100 profit on, okay? So let's dive right into it, okay? So this morning we were watching the SPY, which is the ETF for the S&P, and this morning it had gapped up overnight. So we were starting this morning with a gap up. So I was watching for either a continuation of the move up or for a breakdown of new lows, and we did end up getting the breakdown. So let me show you guys. Let me zoom in here, and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So you can see when the market opened, we immediately started going down. Okay, so I immediately realized we were bearish, so I decided I would be taking a short today. And just so you guys know, I am trading with stock options. So when I say short, I'm just buying puts. Okay, just so you guys know, just to make that real easy for you guys, so you understand. Okay, so as we moved down this morning, we had this bearish move down, and we kind of set this low point here, right? We kind of built the support up, and then we had a little bit of a pullback here. Tried to move up higher, really couldn't. We ended up continuing down, okay? So this is where I ended up getting in. It's on this breakdown, okay? So we built the support, had a little bit of a micro pullback there, and as we broke back down, I bought some stock puts. So let's see, this candlestick at 935 is when we started going down. So that should be where I entered. Let's go over here to my trades and see exactly where I got in. Okay, yeah, so I got in at 935, right on that candlestick. And then I ended up selling at 937. So let's go back to the chart and take a look at exactly where these points are. Okay, so like I said, 935 is where I entered, and this is the candlestick that broke down below that previous low of day before the pullback. And then we sold here at 937. No particular technical reason or support level or anything of why I sold there. It basically had just hit my target of 20% profit, so that's why I sold. But it was a pretty clear breakdown. I probably should have held a few contracts just to let it keep on running, but you know, can't cry about spilled milk. You know, that's just that hindsight talking, right? But it was a pretty great breakdown, just a simple classic breakdown trade where we have a move down, a slight micro pullback, and then the continuation lower. So just a really great technical formation today. Definitely a typical breakdown trade. Really great. Let me just go back to the trades one more time for you guys so you guys can see. 935, 937, and I got in here at 94 cents per contract and sold at $1.14 per contract. So that is 20% profit right there. And if we move down to here, you can see my P&L here. $100 profit this morning. And this was a super simple trade, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to take some more trades like this and see what I'm trading each day, I actually have a Discord group full of stock traders that I'm actively in every day talking about the trades that I'm making. So you can go ahead and add my Discord name right here. Shoot me a direct message and I'll send you the link to the Discord group. We've got over 200 members right now, full of stock traders, and we definitely all share ideas, and it's absolutely a great place for beginner traders and any stock traders to be, just to learn and bounce ideas off of other people. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop it a like. Drop a comment down there if you liked it, and go ahead and click my channel below because I've got a lot more videos like this one. And definitely subscribe, guys, so you can see my next videos when they come out, because guess what, guys? I promise you, every video that I put out, you will learn something about it in every single one. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video.